So let me talk to you about how do you feel good? How do you feel good enough to start magnetizing your manifestations? Well, the first thing is you have to make sure that you're getting enough water. Water is so important. Hydration is really, really important to how you feel, how your body feels, the energy levels that you have. You know, it was a few years ago where I thought I was really, really, really sick. I was having so many problems, and you know, it was hard for me to just get up and keep going. I said, oh my goodness, I'm working too hard. I'm traveling so much, and I just wasn't feeling well. So anyway, my doctor did this whole full checkout of me. I almost fainted, and you know, I was like, well, oh my goodness, what's going on? He was like, you're dehydrated. And I said, anything else going on? He said, you're dehydrated. And I said, how dehydrated am I? He's like, you're so dehydrated that I don't even know how you're walking around. I was like, oh my goodness, I thought I drank enough water. And he was like, no, you need to really, really enjoy drinking your water. Now, you know, I thought that was a twist on it. Enjoy drinking my water, you know, just get it in. But you know what? I had to stop and slow down and really enjoy drinking my water, and knowing that drinking my water was hydrating my body, feel it going inside me, see my body being hydrated, and you know, allowing myself to feel better from the water. And of course, you know, I added little things to my water. I started doing hot water and lemon in the morning, hot water and lemon before I go to bed. And I'm telling you, that will change your life. When I started doing that hot water and lemon in the morning, it would detox my body right in the morning, detox me at night, and it would just give me the burst of energy that I needed. Then drinking my alkaline water all day long, it really changed the way I felt. Well, when I started feeling really good, I started thinking, wow, my manifestation is on my way. Wow, I can see what I wanted, what I visualized this morning really happening for me. It changed my mindset. My mind was clear because I was hydrated.